So, welcome back to Projects in Dad's Garage. It's been a little, I know, but special guest today.
Hello.
Finally here for the summer.
Yep.
So we've been gone, picking this guy up, and then went down to Florida for a week for vacation, and then this week just kind of readjusting. And it's the other one's birthday this week, so we set up a little above ground pool because that's what she loves, is swimming.
He actually loves swimming.
So today out here we have some intermittent connection issues for the printers, and then streaming quality is not great. I mean, we get the internet out here, but it's not great, and resolution drops off. So what we're going to be doing, we picked up some stuff. We're going to hardwire a switch out here, and then we can plug everything in directly. So the plan is we're going to go up that way through the attic, and then that hits the wall for the second floor. It'll drop down to the basement, and then across the basement and up into the living room behind the TV entertainment system and into the motor. So Cat 6 cable, stuff to terminate it, 8-port switch, and we're going to give this a go. So we've got our Ethernet wire, comes out. Now we're just putting ends on it, making some little short ones for other runs that we've got to do. We're making progress. Alright, well, it's a few days later. I forgot to do a little bit of an update. But we've got this done. We've got the switch wired in. We've got wire running to each of the printers. So they're all hard lined in. And the plan was to run Ethernet cord over here for the TV and for the laptop. To my surprise, neither one of them have Ethernet. Eventually, the laptop will get replaced with a regular desktop that will have hardline Ethernet, and we'll get that. TV, not much I can do about, but so be it. Got a couple other things going on around here, and I'll update you about those as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.